In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. To find and manage all of text correction options, you don't need any trick or any special apps. Just a few steps in Devices Settings. So let's begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, select System and Updates, then Language and Input, and finally your default keyboard. Let's start with Celia. Click on it here, hit Input section, and manage all of those options by clicking on the switches next to chosen features. If you are using Microsoft, click on it here, select Typing, and manage all of those options the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!